JACKASS here, and today we're playing some Watch Dogs. I just got this game yesterday and I played a couple of missions, but let's just free roam for today and then see what happens. So I just fell off my bike. I'll move out the way. This game is about hacking stuff. You can use your phone in this game, this phone here that I'm using right here, to hack things. Like, see that car? I can make it go on alarm. As you can see, you can see like people's names and stuff, and recently travelled to South Africa like I just said. So yeah, pretty good. So I'm gonna get on the bike right now and go. What the? Wait, no, where's it go? Just blew that pipe over there. Traffic lights, I can make the traffic lights go on so everybody crashes. As you can see. This game is actually better than GTA, because you can control the bike so much easier, and it's great, you know, I love it. Another thing about the game is that, you know, I love the technique and the physics, like, you know, just driving properly, smashing into things, being Jackass, you know. Uh-oh, oh my god, oh god. Oh god! And I also love that because, you know, it's pretty fun when you gotta try and get away. So I'm gonna get myself a car off here. We'll get ourselves a polo. No, not a polo, or whatever they call them in real life, I don't know. Golf. Get ourselves a golf. As you see, we've got a golf right here. Keep driving this thing. Sun setting over there, as you can see. Beautiful sunset. Crashing like hell. Boom! Traffic lights on, everybody crash. Criminal stuff's happening, so let's go turn back around and go and find a criminal. Even though we are criminals, well, let's go and stop people from doing bad things, so let's go stop someone from doing something bad, I guess. Right, turn off the song for copyright, you know.
Director of Public Relations for CTOS, Charlotte Gardner. Welcome, Charlotte. I'm always thrilled to talk about CTOS. Great, let's get into it. Why don't you explain what CTOS is? I mean, I think I get it, but
Going the wrong way. Damn it.
The future is now, then, in a nutshell. CTOS remains our upkeep. Water, power, security, sewage, and transit.
Okay, I'm gonna skip until we get there, or I'm gonna skip to something good that happens on the way there, something like that, you know. What the hell? What the hell's that car doing over there? What the?
What about other issues? Safety, privacy. Let's talk about privacy for a moment. Of course, all privacy is respected. For instance,
That car was like glitching out a minute ago. You guys should probably just missed it, but yeah. I saw it with my own eyes glitch out.
only to them and their healthcare provider. So only my doctor can see it, right? And only with your permission. All perfectly private. We have to take another short break.
God. I'm looking at my iPad screen, so I can't really see what's going on the telly. I'm just looking through the iPad screen so I can see. Oh my god. Alright, we're here. We're here. See? Criminal convoy. I wonder what the hell this is.
Pictures work for the highest bidder. Once a contract is taken, they're gonna follow through. I got a chance to prevent a murder here. I can just find these guys in time.
Okay. Yeah, I think I got a long ways to go then. Actually, I haven't got that long to go, but it does look like a bit. It does look like long from there, but it isn't. It's only 400 and 300 and... Oh no! It's coming closer to us. Oh no, shit! Oh. Dude. Convoy. There it is, there it is. Hey, how you doing? What? They know it's me, they're going. They know it's me, they know it's me. Someone else is coming. Boom! Yes, I did it! I have done it. I have officially done it, you guys. No, I haven't done it. Civilian kill. Whoa! Veteran kill. Veteran kill. What? Veteran killed. No! Damn it! God damn it! No, you see, I knew that was going to happen because it happens all the time. People are way too strong. I haven't even upgraded my health yet. I've only been upgrading my hacking, so I should start upgrading my health, I think. The hell was that, dude? Alright, let's try this again, I guess. Motorcycle. Shaitanach. Astoria. No. Give me cars, no, what like give me. This might actually be good because it might be able to smash the cars up. Just gotta wait for him to come down here now. Yes!
He's on foot! Fucker's armed!
Headshot! What the hell, dude? Run, run. Shit! Shit, what did I do that for? Okay guys, I just skipped, but we're here right now, going again. Still trying to catch up to this guy now, he's just trying to drive away. And his guys are trying to take me out as well. So I'm gonna try and get him. Too bad that you can't shoot out the car window though. That would be dead good. Take down. I can't take him down, he's taking too long. There, go now. Put the bridge up, put the bridge up. Yes! Done. Guys, I've done. What? Damn it! bridge back. Stop driving into me. Assholes. Why are they shooting out the window? How come I can't do that? Go cars, knock me out. Yes. It's those cars that help me. Hopefully it's going to be a pipe that I can use to smash everything down. Come on, come on. Hail Hydra. Hail Hydra, Hail Hydra. Damn it! I could use that steam pipe. My battery's taking ages to reload. So it's reloaded one. I want to let reload it free first before I can use it. Oh no. They're coming down this way though. Damn. They're firing at me, good guys. No, let it go up. And use the pipe to explode them. Yes! Kill him, kill him. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, I was so close. Damn it, I died once again, you guys. What? I'll see you next time, guys. I'm gonna try to keep on doing this mission. It's a bit hard, but you know. See you guys next time. Peace out.